This video provides an overview of the Class Progress tool. The Class Progress tool tracks your course progress by measuring your completion of different activities and shows progress indicators. You can use the tool to keep track of your course activities and feedback. The Class Progress tool opens on your Summary tab. Here you can view an overview of all your activities and compare your current grade to the class average. Click each section to expand the list of your completed activities and view any grades or feedback. Grades and feedback are only displayed for accessible activities like quizzes, assignments, and discussions. Other tabs show more detailed information about your progress in the course. For example, the Content tab shows a progress bar for each module. Use this tab to view which modules you have and have not completed.